Good morning everyone, and today I am going to show you how I spend my days. As you can see here in the video, after I woke up, pipiliin ko na kung ano yung susuotin ko. After that, I will proceed to go to the bathroom para maligo at mag-ready na papuntang school. And here I am doing my daily outfit check. Oh hi guys, time check. It is 7:59 AM in the morning and my classes starts at 9 AM, so I still have an hour to do my things and I'll just finish it out. Gusto ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang aking alma mater, ang Colegio de Sebastian. After 2 hours of studying, here we are kumakain ng aming lunch with my friends. Lumabas na ako ng mga bandang 3 PM because meron po kaming competition, ang pagsulat ng lathalain sa buwan ng wika. Sabi ko sa sarili ko na dapat umuwi na ako, but it's a prank. Here I am at Watson's looking for some product for myself. And bago umuwi, I decided to eat alone here at KFC. You know what guys, I realized na masaya rin palang gumawa ng mga bagay na mag-isa ka lang. And right after, I decided to go home. After magtinda, nagpahinga lang saglit and did my things, and here I am. Good night everyone, and that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Next day, eto, nagmamasipag po si ate mo, akala mo naman talaga, totoo. After that, I decided to eat breakfast and konting linis-linis lang dito sa ating kwarto. Para naman walang masabi ng mama natin. Mapapanood niyo po kung paano magtinda ang isang Angeline S. Lacanlale. Heto na naman tayo sa electric fan kong hair dryer. Hala, may bisita tayo. Kilala niyo ba kung sino yan guys? Comment niyo kung kilala niyo kung sino yan. Thank you po dun sa nakakulay blue na nanlibre sa akin ng mango shake. Yes, indeed unexpected. We didn't expect po na pumasok yung tubig sa bahay namin. But wala na tayong magagawa dun kaya I decided to take a shower na lang. Skincare with Angela 101. First step I do is maglalagay ako ng toner, just a little amount, and I will pat it on my face. Second is moisturizer, and I will just let it dry on my face. Hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang lip care, and for my lip care, I have very simple Vaseline or petroleum. And for the last step, bigay po to sa akin ng doctor ko because I had checked my skin last month and ito yung maintenance na binigay niya for my shoulders. Hindi na ako nakapag-record ng maaga because we had to leave early kasi need po namin pumunta ng dentist. And after that, umuwi na rin because nabaan po tayo and hindi natin maglinis. And thank you Lord, bumili po si mama ng pizza for everyone here in our house. After that, nakaligo na ako and did my things and it's time for me na magbantay na ng tindahan. Tayo sa kabilang tindahan to buy ice cream kasi po sakit ng ngipin ko dahil kaka-adjust ko lang. Bandang gabi, I decided to watch Gumburza because Za told me na panoorin ko daw to kasi maganda. So I watched it. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang, but there's just some days na you just wanted to cry and let your emotion out. And today is that day, so this is what I did. And after that, nag-shower na din ako at dahil dyan nagtatapos ang ating days in my life. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. I love you!